bullish Qtum cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $14.63 and $27.63 by 2030. Market experts accept Qtum could reach $11.38 by 2025. Negative Qtum market cost expectation for 2023 is $2.60. Qtum presentation. Qtum is a mixture blockchain application stage. It overcomes any issues among Bitcoin and Ethereum by joining their best elements. Qtum utilizes the ARCSO model of Bitcoin and the ERC20 token norm of Ethereum. This permits it to run shrewd agreements and decentralized applications dApps, while as yet handling high volumes of exchanges rapidly. The Qtum group is driven by Patrick Dye, a previous Alibaba chief, and Bruce Fenton, board overseer of the Bitcoin establishment. They have gathered a great group of guides, including Roger Ver, Anthony D'Iorio, Zustar, Misthos Ianu, Kevin Goffman, and Y. Ben Huo. The Qtum project has gotten help from a few major names in the crypto space. In Walk 2017, they raised $1 million from Finbushi Capital. In April 2017, they raised $4 million from Pioneer's asset angelist F. Angel. Also in September 2017, they brought $15 million up in an ICO. What makes Qtum interesting? The Qtum blockchain has two novel advancements that expect to tackle the four issues its pioneers seen as most risky in BTC and ETH blockchain stages: Record Deliberation Layer (AL) and Decentralized Administration Convention (DGP). The Record Reflection Layer (AL) considers more noteworthy interoperability between the Qtum blockchain and other blockchains and between shrewd agreements and true applications. This is on the grounds that it really makes a span between various blockchains, considering more straightforward collaboration. Furthermore, AL makes it conceivable to associate savvy contracts with true applications, which has been challenging to do as of not long ago. The Decentralized Administration Convention (DGP) resolves the issue of administration in blockchain stages. Under DGP, explicit boundaries of the Qtum blockchain can be altered by anybody who holds Qtum tokens, including things like as far as possible or block size. Significantly, these progressions are made through casting a ballot, guaranteeing that all partners have something to do with how the stage is run. Furthermore, DGP assists with making the Qtum stage more adaptable, as changes can be made rapidly and effectively if necessary. Together, these two innovations make Qtum an exceptional choice for organizations and designers searching for a powerful and practical blockchain stage to construct their applications. What is Qtum? Qtum has been intended to join the best highlights of both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Utilizing an ARCSO exchange model, Qtum can offer the security of Bitcoin with the additional usefulness of savvy contracts and dApps. The stage additionally upholds DeFi applications, giving clients significantly more ways of utilizing Qtum. As of Walk 2021, there are north of 20 tokens made on the Qtum blockchain, making it one of the most flexible stages that anyone could hope to find. Qtum value history. In May 2017, Qtum was first recorded on trades and was esteemed at $4.65. Until November of that year, the resource exchanged the $10, $13 territory. Qtum broke over the $13 hindrance level on December 13 and rose to $62.7 in January 2018. Qtum's ascent compared with the organization's participation at Blockshow Asia in November. The Qtum coin was underestimated before this occurrence. From January to Walk 2018, the cost of Qtum kept on rising, arriving at a record-breaking high of $85.7 in February 2018. Nonetheless, the market before long amended, and the value tumbled to $4.3 by early September 2018. Qtum started to ascend in esteem in February 2021 and has remained moderately stable from that point forward, with a couple of rectifications. Make a record at pricerpredictions.com for cutting-edge exchanging signals, industry-driving cost expectations, purchase SL proposals, and that's just the beginning. What's more, best of all, it's free. Create record. Qtum value figure. A few variables add to this hopeful Qtum cost forecast. First and foremost, Qtum has solid essentials with a huge and developing local area behind it. The group has additionally effectively executed its guide, bringing about different organizations and mixes with significant organizations, for example, Google and Amazon Web Administrations. At last, the new send-off of fundamental net marking is supposed to drive further reception of Qtum, as it becomes one of the most available stages for decentralized applications and shrewd agreements. With these positive turns of events, it's no big surprise that the Qtum cost is estimated to keep ascending all through 2030 and then some. Qtum current cost. Qtum is right now worth $3.25 SE. Qtum has moved 4.7% as of now with an exchanging volume of $50,584,235. Qtum is right now positioned 158 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $340,576,896. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant Qtum market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market movement. Qtum Value Forecast 2023. Qtum, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. Qtum. The Qtum cost gauge for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $4.88. Likewise, with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $4.55 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is attainable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Qtum is supposed to have a base worth of $3.90. Qtum Value Expectation 2024. In 2024, Qtum cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Qtum will before long outperform $8.13. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the Qtum's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Qtum will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $6.50 and a typical exchanging cost of $7.15. Qtum Value Forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $11.38 and Qtum might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Qtum is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $10.40 and a low of $9.75 in 2025. Qtum Value Expectation 2026. In the event that Qtum effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money fans, the Qtum coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Qtum will be green in 2026. The Qtum is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $14.63, with a base cost of $13 and a typical cost of $13.65. Qtum Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Qtum cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $16.91 by 2027, with a base cost of $16.96 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Qtum has a most extreme value worth of $17.88. Qtum Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $2016. In the event that Qtum figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of